Hi, this is Sharon at Fitinfun.com. You're looking at the stairwell that I have to come up to get to my $6 hostel room, and it goes down 3 flights. And then here's my view. Not really my view, this is still the hallway, but it's quiet, no neighbors. And this is Vientiane Laos. And the bathroom is shared by all. That's just the toilet area. And then here's the actual room, which has 3 bunk beds and obviously 6 people. And then here in this room is the actual shower that we can all use, but there's plenty of showers on each floor, so if this was full, you could use one of the other ones and it's fine. And then you see, there's no one here but me, and everyone just leaves their junk. So I feel pretty safe. I'm the oldest by far. Everybody's in their 20s or 30s. Seems pleasant. It was extremely quiet here last night. Very good sleeping. Although this bed has to be the hardest I've slept on in years. But it didn't stop me. I slept really well. And then this window has a little bit of a view, but it's closed for everyone to sleep. There you go. Let's see if I can show you part of the roof of somewhere else. But anyway, it's been pleasant for $6. I've had no trouble, and I went downstairs and had breakfast, which was provided with the room, and that was a fried egg, 2 pieces of toast, a banana, and coffee. And it was actually very good, except for the toast. Any bread in Southeast Asia has not met my expectations yet. But this was kind of like Wonder Bread toasted, so if you know what that's like. But yeah, I feel very secure and safe here, honestly. And the people that are there's other dorm rooms, of course. I think this place takes about 40 people, and just everyone just smiles and nice and no troubles. And most of the people are either European or Asian that are here right now, and everyone's happy with the rate. So you can do it too. Come to Laos. This is the capital city. Be sure to fit in fun no matter what.